Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a lily, like the flower, kind of realistically, more than not. It's not gonna be very cartoony, so that's pretty much it. It's very, very simple, and if you're a beginner, you will be able to do this, okay? So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start drawing these inner stems coming out from there. I forget what you call them. They have like pollen on them. Pollen. It's gonna be a curved line. Go over here. The exact same line. It's almost like a thin straw. And at the very end, I'm going to draw maybe like a ball there. Going over here, pulling out. Curve in. Same exact thing. Put a ball at the end of that. Line out here, another one. Exactly the same. With the ball at the end of that. Line over here, out. Line over here. Curve, curve. We're gonna start drawing like a petal now. All right. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve around here for one petal. Go around here the other side for a petal here. You connect it there. Line on the petal to give it like some sort of texture. Line here. Line here. Another line here. Pull in. Right there. So I'm going to connect it in there. I only kind of had it in space like that. It looks kind of weird right now, but don't worry. It'll look better in a minute. Going to start over here, kind of mid-stem. Curve for another petal. Pulling in. I'm going to go over here and draw lines on this as well to get that texture. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I go over how to draw something 3 times every single weekday. When you subscribe, it's going to let you know what I post. It's going to show you a thumbnail randomly on your feed, and then you're going to decide that whether you want to draw it or not. But there's no downside to it. So hit the subscribe. Make this the video you subscribe in because, yeah, it's only good stuff. You can always unsubscribe later if you find it annoying, but right now, hit that subscribe if you value this stuff. If anything I do here is worth your time in the least. All right, I'm going to go over here. Start from this part of the petal. Out. Go over here. Curve. I'm going to put the rest of them before I do the texture. So I'm going to start over here on this one. Curve out. Pulling in. Go over here. Curve. 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 So those thinner lines right there, those lines for texture. I'm gonna pull out from maybe this part of the stem over here, and I'm gonna pull another line over here on top, like so. And now you have all the petals, right? So let's go into the texture the same way. Line over here, line over here, line over here. Following the direction of that petal. Line over here, here, here. All right. Now we're going to draw the stem that it's coming from, okay? So I'm going to pull down. Maybe I'm just going to pick an area, pull down here. Go over here, same thing. Make a stem and end it over here. Over here from the leaf. Right there, one curve for one leaf. Underneath, up. Let's move over here to the other side. Curve. Curve. And then from down here, we're going to pull a curve. Line over here. Line, 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 line for the texture on the leaves right here. Just to kind of give it some buoyancy, you know, something like basically some realistic, you know, artifacting there. And that is it. I want to thank you very, very much for watching. You're amazing. I hope this taught you something. Hit that like button. The whole channel lives on likes. The entire channel lives. That's the furnace. The furnace to the channel is likes. So thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I will talk to you very, very soon.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.